Hello. Okay, so today we're going to make a tic-tac-toe AI that's going to be absolutely perfect and quite unbeatable. Now, I'm sure most of you would know what tic-tac-toe is, but for those of you who don't, it basically looks something like this. Now, it's a two-player game. One player can mark X, the other can mark O. And if you have matching symbols, either in a row or horizontally or vertically, then that player wins. Okay, so let's make the game. Alright, so the game is done. It's a pretty basic two-player game. It alternates the turns and sees if either has won. Now, this is nothing impressive, so let's add some AI. Wait. Now, before we make the AI, allow me to explain how it's actually going to work. Now, it's going to follow the minimax algorithm, in which it plays out the moves for itself and also the opponent. And based on how each move is going to play out along the way, it will see that which was the best move, and then it's going to do that move. Okay, so assume that the game is already running, and this is what it looks like. Now, the AI has three possible moves. It can move here, or here, or here. Now, we know that the second one was the best because that results in the AI winning the match. So, we need a way for the AI to know which move was better. Now, how can that be done, you might ask? Well, that's what I'm here for. We assign values based on who wins as a result of a move. There you go, problem solved. It's going to look like a tree, and the end result of each move is going to be represented by a number at the end of that branch. Now it's the AI's turn, and AI is going to try to choose the maximum value from under it. And the minimum is human, and it's going to try to choose the smallest from under it. Now then max, then min. Max is going to choose the largest between 1 and 0, which is 1. And it's the same for the rest of them. Then minimum is going to choose the smallest between 1, 1 and 0, which is 0. And similarly, then max is going to choose the largest between 0, 1, 0, which is 1. And we know that that is the move that results in the AI winning. So that's the best move. Alright, enough talking, and let's get to coding. Alright, so the AI is finally done, and so far it is completely unbeatable, and I've only managed to tie with it because the way it's designed is that it already plays it out, so there's no possible way to beat it. Now, the source code is going to be available on GitHub, and if you manage to beat it, let me know. I'll be glad to look at it. So, watch the AI beat some ass.